Welcome to 9845 Seabird Lane, nestled in the highly desirable 55-plus adult living community of Regency. Constructed by Toll Brothers in 2017, this gorgeous 2,586 square foot single-story home offers 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, including a casita, and sits on 1/5 of an acre. This stunning open floor plan home shows like a model, with gleaming engineered hardwood flooring, handsome custom light fixtures, and numerous upgraded features throughout. Enjoy the comfort of your spacious master suite that offers plenty of room for your king-size bedroom set. Your large master bath features separate sinks and vanities, an inviting bathtub for those chilly winter nights, a beautiful step-in shower, and 2 generous walk-in closets. The second bedroom in the main house features an ensuite bathroom, a solid and functional Murphy bed, and 2 closets. Just off the second bedroom is additional space that can be used as an office, a den, or even a yoga or meditation sanctuary. A fully covered paver patio extends your living space to the west-facing backyard, perfect for barbecues, outdoor dining, and taking in the spectacular Sierra sunset. Your guests will appreciate a little privacy in their very own casita, complete with full bathroom and a step-in closet. As a member of Regency's desirable 55-plus adult living community, you'll enjoy serenity and all the desirable athletic and social amenities the Recreation Center has to offer you and your guests. Don't miss your opportunity to be the new owner of 9845 Seabird Lane in Reno. Contact Denise Hallerbach or your own realtor to schedule a private appointment today.